On today's episode, we're going to be discussing importing from China to Kenya. And as you can see, guys, this is a huge package that I've received, you guys. I'm super excited and I want us to unbox it with you guys. So do you have an idea what I have here? So I want us to unbox together. Imagine, guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hata mimi nimefurahia, by the way. So I want us to unbox each of them. I know most of you will be wondering how much I have paid for these packages. They came via sea, of course, and I was super lucky. They came in the same container, so I was billed as one huge package, guys. So for this total of them, the 5 packages, I only paid 16,240, guys. So when I keep telling you guys, bringing things to Kenya, you need to be smart. You need to how to play your game, because trust you me, if they came as each one package, I would have paid maybe like the minimum, which is 0.1 cbm, which will go to for like 5,800, guys. So maybe I would have paid 5,800, 5,000. You can imagine, guys, it would have been super expensive for me. So let's get down to unboxing. So let's start with this package, guys. Let us see what came. So let us see what came in. Oh wow, check inside. Guys, these are called storage baskets, as you can see. Look at them, guys. Yeah, we have them in white, we have them in black. Hey. Yeah? Look at that, guys. So this whole box is full of this. Yeah, they're called storage baskets. So guys, make sure you join my WhatsApp group, yeah, so that you can get to see the prices of this product. And for those people who had ordered on WhatsApp, they got the import cost, you guys. So you need to join my WhatsApp group, you guys. So look at that. So guys, this box is full of these storage containers. So let us go to the next box so that we can see what is there. So these ones are many, as you have seen. They are quite many over here. So guys, let's open the next box. So guys, let's open this one. Oh my god, it's so heavy. So let me do it from here. I already have an idea what is here because I can see. Hey, this package, you guys, there's a whole story behind this package, but we thank God it's finally here. We thank God. Oh wow, eish. Look at that. Guys, you're wondering what these are. These are pajama sets, yeah? They are 2-piece pajama sets. Look at that. Wow. And they're quite many. I think so they're like 40 or 50 pieces. Let me show you this one. Wow.
Is that what, Joshua?
Oh, look at this, guys. Wow. Look at that, guys. And the quality here. See the quality? The quality is quite nice, you guys. It comes with its trouser over here. Yeah, so these are 2-piece. You can wear them as pajamas, you can wear them as loungewear, you can wear them when you're going out, yeah. So as you can see, this one comes in as a set. They're so cute. That one is for a boy. Let's open one for a girl. See them? Look at that one, you guys. And they are well packaged. This supplier is very nice. You can compare with the other person. They packed them very well. So I've ended up not paying so much on the shipping compared if they put them in each one a box. You know, that would have been so expensive. Wow. It's cotton, you guys. Pure cotton, yeah? Look at that, you guys, yeah? It's so cute. It comes with a matching, look at that, with a matching trouser. Yeah, so this is a set for the girls, yeah? So as I've said, guys, make sure you follow me on my socials, Imports by Grace Kenyo, yeah? And make sure when you come to the WhatsApp group, I'll be putting there the prices of these products, you guys. I'm super excited for these ones. Yani, the quality is so nice, you guys, yeah? So that is what is in this package. All of these, as you can see, there are so many, you guys. There are so many. Look at all that, yeah? So I'll be sure to post the pictures of what has come in on the Instagram and on TikTok. So make sure you go to our pages and you'll be able to see that. I link our pages in the description box, yeah? So that is it. So let's open the next box. Let's open the third box, yeah? So I'm super excited to see what is here. You guys, I ordered these things like a month ago, and I'm so happy that via sea shipping I was able to receive them. Hey. Guys, wow, I can't wait to show you this. Wow. Hey. Look at that. My goodness. Wow. Hey, see, they are nice. Wow. What? Look at that, guys. All these are handbags, guys, yeah? These are handbags. Wow. Let me open one so that you can be able to see. Okay, and the quality, guys. Hey, I'm so glad you've gotten things that are quite nice and the quality is nice. That's how it looks. You can be able to open like this. You can see it comes in with that. Oh yeah, it has. Hey, I'm going to buy nione. I've noticed most people, you love ordering handbags, you guys. So I'm super lucky that we have gotten nice ones. Wow, guys, look at that. It's so cute, guys. You can wear it like that. Yeah, it's super cute. Wow. Yeah, guys, so as you can see, we have different colors. Yeah, look at that. Hey, look at this blue. Which color did it come in also? Yeah, we have, most of people wanted blue, but I love the white. Look at that white. It's so cute, you guys. Yeah, let's see whether we had a pink. I'm not sure whether we had a pink. Hey, look at that color. Yeah, this is gold, yeah? Yeah guys, so that box was full of handbags, as you can see. Yeah, I'm super excited for the people who made a pre-order to be able to come and get their bags. I know they're gonna be so happy with their purchase. Yeah, so guys, let's go to box number 4. Guys, let's open the box number 4. Ndio amefunga kufunga. Let us see what is in here. Oh, come and see. Look at that, guys. They're called the wall decor hangers. Yeah, you can use them on the bathroom, you can use them inside your bedroom to be able to place things. Look at that, guys. Yeah, oh, these ones I ordered only in white. I'll insert a picture so that you see how I've used mine, guys, so that you can be able to understand how they're gonna be used. Hey, there are so many, and they're self-adhesive, yeah, meaning you can be able to put them on the wall for yourself. Because let me show you. They come with these stickers, so all you need to do is put the stickers on the wall and then you hang like this, guys. Yeah, so when you do it like that, you can be able to put your lotions, you can put it over the sink where you put the hand wash. Yeah, so you see, it's a very, very nice item that you need to have in your home. And I remember this item, guys, it's quite cheap, guys. So ensure you follow me on my socials where I'll be posting the prices, or when I'm editing this video I'll make sure I put the prices for you guys. Yeah, so I'm super excited. This one came in only white. Yeah, I didn't pick other colors, we only have white in color. Wow, come and show them. There's so many, guys. Yeah, this box is full of them. Yes, there are so many. So guys, are you excited about the things that I've brought in? Do you feel these are things that you'd want to import also, guys? If you're interested, I normally offer trainings on how to import from China to Kenya, so I can teach you how you'll be able to bring such things, you're able to sell and make some money. 2024 usilale, by the way, tafuta your pesa. Let's unbox box number 5. Yeah, let's see what is in here. It's not that heavy. Yeah, so this supplier is the same supplier who brought in the storage baskets and the wall hanging shelves. Yeah, so this is the same supplier. Wow, look at these, guys. Yeah, these are called the bathroom hangers. Yeah, they're called, you put them at the corner of the bathroom like this, and then as you can see they also come with the self-adhesive. Yeah, so all you need to do is place them on the corner at the bathroom and you're able to press all your products here. Yeah, you can put your shower gel, your soap, yeah, everything that you want to put there, guys. Yeah, they're called the bathroom hangers, guys. Look at that. I also ordered this only in black. Yeah, as you can see, they are in black. Yeah, they are all in black, and we have a lot of them over here, guys. Yeah, so as I've told you guys, if you're interested in all the products that I've mentioned here, make sure you follow the links that I'm going to put in the product in the description box, guys, so that you can be able to see the items, the cost. Yeah, and make sure you subscribe to this channel, guys. We are on the road to 3K subscribers, guys. Tufike 3K, guys, and I'm super thankful for your support in this business and also on YouTube, guys. So mkuje mnunue, make sure you come and buy a lot. They are nice, guys. As you can see, these are not the ones that you put things and then they start rusting. Yeah, this is not the ones that rust, as you can see, guys. Yeah, make sure you come and buy. Look at that. As I've shown you, there are many, guys. Yeah, so we have come to the end of this video, guys. I'm super excited for the things that we are doing on this channel, the growth there. So make sure, guys, you subscribe as I've told you, guys. And until the next video, bye.